Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Facebook is linked to one out of every five divorces. There are over 6,000 known species of grass. We are more creative in night and less creative in afternoon. The Nobel Peace Prize is named for Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite. Our brain uses 10 watts of energy to think and does not feel pain. The way we communicate has an influence on our mood. Without the memory of past, we cannot operate in the present. Water integrator, a computer that ran on water. The healthiest drink to help burn all the fat from the waist, back and thighs. A crocodile can't poke its tongue out. Mona Lisa has her own mailing box. The Longa Burger Company's headquarters. Quiet people are actually talkative around the right people. A kick in the nuts is above 9,000 del of pain, which is equivalent to giving birth to 160 kids or 3,200 bones getting crushed at a time. Never use your favorite song as your alarm clock, you will just end up hating it. Wikipedia is maintained by thousands of bots. A Korean actress confirmed that she has only been eating 3 spoonfuls of rice every day for the last 6 months. Samsung is 38 years and 1 month older than Apple. The Louvre in Paris is so large that it would take 100 days to look at each piece. Only 5% of the ocean has been explored. There are only 21 million bitcoins that can be mined in total. Filipinos use social media more than Americans. Tennis players can be fined up to $20,000 for swearing while playing at Wimbledon. Michael Jackson offered to make a Harry Potter musical, but the offer was rejected. Mercury and Venus are the only 2 planets in our solar system that have no moons. The word burrito means little donkey in Spanish. Millions of birds a year die from smashing into windows in the US alone. The penguin swims 8,000 kilometers every year just to meet the human who saved its life. Baifern Phria, 6-year-old child from Thailand, awarded as Miss Evening Grow. If you fall into a volcano, you would float on lava instead of melting. The first English word spoken by the child in USA is mommy, while first English word spoken by an Indian child is apple. It's illegal to own just one guinea pig or parrot in Switzerland. You begin to feel thirsty when your body loses 1% of water. An article claims Iceland government will pay you 4,500 euro a month to marry an Iceland woman. It's believed that roughly 97% of history has been lost over time. The shoe size of the Statue of Liberty is size 879. New car smell is the scent of dozens of chemicals. The world wastes about 1 billion metric tons of food each year. In Roman numerals, there is no zero. The original name of Windows was Interface Manager. Hair and nails grow faster during pregnancy. New Zealanders have more pets per household than any other country. Tokyo is the world's largest city with 37 million inhabitants. The cry of a newborn baby is called a vaginitis. Thanks for watching.